Namaste, welcome to TV9 News. This is Priyanka Deo, and we are here with Vivek Pandey, who identifies himself as a social and political activist. An activist indeed. Vivek, I won't give an introduction, but let me have you introduce yourself, and thank you for being here today. Vivek, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself?
So I'm Vivek Pandey. I'm basically from Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. I'm a medical student and also working as RTI activist from past 3-4 years. And I filed more than 500 RTIs to different departments of India. And a few months back, I had filed one RTI to Delhi Chief Minister Office and
Few months
seeking.
back was when? Was it last year? Was it this
It
year?
was in month of November 2020.
November 2020, you filed an RTI. Okay. And
Yes,
what did you file an RTI for?
actually, I has filed RTI seeking information on 3 points, and that was related to Delhi LG CM COVID Care Fund.
Yeah.
Like we know that all the state governments are taking voluntary fund to fight against COVID-19 crisis. So on Delhi, I had filed RTI to CMO office, and that was transferred to their financial department. And
Great.
in month of December, I got a reply. And first point, I had asked that how much amount of money they get in the form of voluntary funds. Second, how much they spend. And third query was how much money they spent to fight against COVID-19. So first, I got to know about that Delhi government received near about 3,469 lakh rupees in a form of voluntary fund, and they spent 1,702.44 lakh rupees
Yeah.
till date December. And in third point, they said they spent nil amount of money to fight against COVID-19 crisis. As far as I know, that these amounts were collected to fight against COVID-19 crisis. They
Yeah.
have to spend these money to arrange things for the peoples, arrange oxygen cylinders for the peoples, but they didn't spend a single amount of money. And I also asked for backup fares, like backup how much they spend on these things. So I again filed in month of January, again one RTI, and
So you
same
filed
reply
the RTI in January 2021, right?
2021, and same
Okay.
reply I got again that they got some more fund like 3,477.62 lakh rupees, and
Okay.
they spent 1,727.54 lakh rupees. And
Okay.
again they said they spent nil amount of money to fight against COVID-19 crisis.
So
So
what did they
my
spend the money on? Did they specify?
They didn't specify. Again, they said we have to finalize the accounts and we have. They didn't give breakup things for how much they spent for these things. They didn't give any reply on this.
Okay.
So if this amount of if this fund was collected to fight against COVID-19, so why they didn't spend a single amount of money in this? They have lots of time after first wave that witnessed, and in month of September the cases went down. So they have time 4-5 months. They can buy the oxygen concentrator machines. They can buy cylinders. They can make isolation rooms for the
Yeah.
peoples, but they didn't do anything. Now the blame game is started, ma'am, from the both side, from
What
center
do you
and
mean by that? By blame game?
blame like they are saying the center didn't help us. Center is saying we help the state government, but no one is taking responsibility on their own because they have funds. They can utilize it, test it for their people, at least for their state. But the Delhi government didn't do anything.
Yeah. So what do you think that the funds, well, first of all, you are not a Delhi resident. I think we were
No, no,
talking a
no,
little bit before
no.
this interview. You are not a Delhi resident. What made you file these RTIs to find out? If you're, where are you from, first of all?
I'm from Rewa, Madhya Pradesh, MP.
So what made you file an RTI application for Delhi government then?
Ma'am, actually, I had filed for Delhi government, for Maharashtra government, for Madhya Pradesh government, and for UP government for all. I had filed all the governments. I had filed RTIs
Okay.
because, ma'am, like Delhi, Maharashtra, UP, and Madhya Pradesh, these are the core hub for COVID cases. Maximum cases are reported in these states. And
Right.
if people are donating funds to their chief minister funds, so that's the government responsibility that they have to give something to them because it's their own money, that's their citizens' money.
Correct.
So because of this, I had filed SRTI, and the data was shocking. The Delhi government didn't spend a single rupees on this.
What did you find in other states? Did you find something similar, or did you find that they were giving some money
No
towards
reply
it?
from Maharashtra government. For Madhya Pradesh government, it was transferred to the health department, and still no reply for their side. I had filed first appeal for this and waiting for reply.
When was this?
Ma'am.
When did you file?
I mean, month of January
In January for Maharashtra to find out about
for
Maharashtra
Maharashtra and for Madhya Pradesh also.
and for Madhya Pradesh. So
Both.
Maharashtra gave money towards the health department,
No,
correct?
no, Maharashtra didn't reply. They said we don't have this kind of information.
Okay.
And the Madhya Pradesh government, they transferred this RTI to health department, but from their side, still no information.
From their side means the health department side, there's still
Yes.
no
On
information.
RTI Act 6.3, the act, they can transfer RTIs to different department, the concerned department. They have to reply yes, but still
Okay.
no reply from their side.
So is this a fair statement that basically of the RTI applications that you filed, and I applaud you for filing them, because as you said, there is a blame game going on. People are more interested in who to blame, whether it
Yes.
is state or center or whomever. But it's not about that, because the most important thing is that we are in a health pandemic and we are in a crisis right now that needs to be dealt with, and people's health is paramount. So, did you feel that? I mean, did you get any solid responses from any of the RTIs across all the states that you filed applications for? Did you find that that this money was actually going towards the coronavirus pandemic anywhere in the country?
Like, ma'am, from Delhi government, it is clear that they don't spend a single amount of money against COVID-19 crisis,
The
as per
RTI
the it
said
says.
nil, as per the RTI.
And from Maharashtra, I don't get any reply. From Madhya Pradesh, they still don't reply. So from my side, I can only say for Delhi because I have figures in my hand. For the
Right.
rest of the states, I can't say anything. I have to
Right.
just wait for the correct figures for this.
So how does this transparency, I mean, lack of, I should say, transparency, make you feel, Vivek? Because
It is
I
lack
think we were
of
talking,
transparency
yeah, we were
because I
talking
can.
before this. You are a
I,
medical student yourself,
yes,
right?
yes,
So
yes.
you are going to be, what kind of doctor do you plan to be in the future?
Ma'am, in future, I want to be a general physician.
You
Maybe
want to
I'm
be a
planning.
physician, yeah. So you are entering the medical field, and how does this make you feel, especially seeing the damage that this pandemic is causing, the crisis it's creating in our country? How does it make you feel, and where do you feel that the funds should go? What especially for Delhi, since we have the figures at hand, and you've gotten a reply from them, where do you think that money should have gone? That I'm just asking you because you're a medical student. You will know exactly what the money should be spent on at this point, or have a better idea than me.
Ma'am, from my side, it should be went on to firstly to make a good infrastructure in Delhi state because majority of population now are infected. Now we are witness near about 1 lakh cases, active cases in Delhi today. As per the data, there is 1 lakh active cases in Delhi and 54,000 of them are in home isolated. And what if these persons need any medical emergency? Where they will go? So
Right.
these fund must be utilized to create some new hospitals or some isolation wards that are equipments with oxygen concentrator, oxygen machines. At least oxygen cylinder they must have. So this
Yeah.
is our primary thing that we have to do. Second, we can arrange medicines. Like remdesivir crisis, we have seen everywhere. There's lack of remdesivir injections. We are witnessing social media. Everyone is asking for this. So at least they can arrange for their states. They can't arrange for the whole country, but at least for Delhi state, they can arrange some medical emergencies, injections, oxygen concentrator machines. They can create some new oxygen plant also. There are PSA plants that people were talking. They got 8 PSA plant from PM Care Fund, but they
Yeah.
didn't. They just installed one. I think one plant was installed by their side, and seven are still pending. So they can do something by their own side. But as the RTI reply said, they don't have any finalization of the amount. So where they spend, they even don't know. That's why I filed a second RTI because the first 2022 was ending that time. Maybe in this
Right.
month of December, they will finalize all the accounts and they will give me reply, proper reply, where they spend these money. But still, they don't have any reply. They
So
didn't say
even
any.
in the second RTI, it said nil, that they've spent
It's
nil
a
on
bill. And they
coronavirus.
said they spent 1,1727.54 lakh rupees. But where they spent, they don't have data.
Okay. Well, that is actually appalling information. And, again, once again, Vivek, I applaud you being a medical student for number one, coming and joining us today, talking to us today, and talking to me today. And also, not many people would do this. As you said, a lot of people are just interested in blaming and putting the
Yes,
blame on
blame
somebody
game is
else.
going everywhere.
Yeah, but thank you so much for filing, not just in Delhi, but across different states where COVID is spiking and surging right now. It's important that we get these answers because transparency is very important. I mean, especially since citizens, as you said, are giving this fund money for disaster relief, which is the point of a relief fund or crisis relief. So thank you so much for telling us what you found, and do keep us updated on if you do get a response from any of the other states. Thank you
Yes.
so much, Vivek.
Thank you, ma'am. You're welcome.